Most guys want to look their best for the summer. You want the lean face, the beach-ready body, and the confidence to match. But if you've watched dozens of glow-up videos, you're probably completely overwhelmed with information. You don't need a complicated routine, and you definitely don't need expensive surgery. You just need the right daily habits. In this video, I'm giving you 30 rapid-fire, BS-free summer glow-up tips that will transform your face, body, and style in record time. Grab a pen, because we're moving fast. Let's get started. Number 1. Ice-cold water every morning. Wash your face with cold water as soon as you wake up. It instantly tightens your skin, reduces morning puffiness, and gives your face a sharper, more defined look. Number 2. Hydrate immediately. Before coffee, drink a large glass of water. It flushes out toxins, wakes up your metabolism, and clears your skin from the inside out. Number 3. Wear SPF daily. This is non-negotiable for summer. The sun ages you faster than anything else. Use a daily moisturizer with SPF to prevent wrinkles, dark spots, and sun damage. Number 4. Exfoliate twice a week. Summer heat means more sweat and dead skin. Exfoliating removes that dull, flaky layer and prevents breakouts, leaving your skin bright and smooth. Number 5. Exfoliate your lips and use SPF lip balm. Chapped lips are a massive turnoff. Use a gentle scrub to remove dead skin and apply an SPF lip balm to keep them soft and protected from the sun. Number 6. Change your pillowcase every 3 days. In the summer, you sweat more at night. Your pillowcase collects that oil and bacteria. Change it often to stop acne in its tracks. Number 7. Upgrade to sea salt spray. Want that effortless, textured summer beach hair? Ditch the heavy gels. Use a natural sea salt spray on damp hair, scrunch it, and let it dry. It gives you incredible volume without looking greasy. Number 8. Fix your haircut. Stop getting generic skin fades if they don't suit your face shape. Tell your barber to use scissors on the sides for a more natural, textured look that frames your face perfectly. Number 9. Balance your eyebrows. People look at your eyes first. Pluck the middle and trim any wild hairs. It instantly makes your face look sharper and cleaner. Number 10. Tame the beard. If it's patchy, shave it. If you can grow it, line it up weekly. A sharp cheek and neckline creates the illusion of a chiseled jawline. Number 11. Use a tongue scraper. Summer means close-up conversations. Brushing isn't enough. Bad breath comes from the white layer on your tongue. Scrape it every morning to stay fresh. Number 12. Trim nose and ear hair. Nothing ruins a handsome face faster than hair sticking out of your nose. Check it and trim it once a week. Number 13. Scrub your body, don't just rinse. Summer sweat causes body acne. Use an exfoliating scrubber with a good body wash to deeply clean your back, chest, and underarms every single day. Number 14. Master your summer scent. Ditch the heavy winter colognes. Switch to a fresh, aquatic, or citrus-based fragrance. Smell is deeply tied to memory. Make sure you leave a good one. Number 15. Stop mouth breathing. Mouth breathing destroys your jaw structure. Breathe through your nose and practice mewing, resting your tongue on the roof of your mouth. At night, use mouth tape. In 2 weeks, your jawline will look noticeably sharper. Number 16. Drink the testosterone smoothie. Zinc is the ultimate male hormone booster. Blend 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, Greek yogurt, milk, and honey. Drink it daily to boost your energy and testosterone. Number 17. Target 12 to 15% body fat. You don't need to be a massive bodybuilder. For a lean, defined face and visible abs, aim for 12 to 15% body fat. Facial fat hides your cheekbones. Losing it is the ultimate facial glow-up. Number 18. Walk 10,000 steps daily. It's the easiest cheat code for fat loss. It doesn't spike your hunger like intense cardio, and it leans you out effortlessly. Number 19. Lift heavy 4 days a week. Focus on compound movements, squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, and overhead presses. These build broad shoulders and a V taper, which looks incredible in summer t-shirts. Number 20. The 80-20 diet rule. Eat 80% whole foods, meat, fruit, veggies, and 20% whatever you want. Cutting out heavy processed junk gets rid of facial bloating in literally a matter of days. Number 21. Prioritize 8 hours of sleep. Sleep is the most underrated glow-up tool. It's when your body produces testosterone, burns fat, and repairs your skin. Never sacrifice your sleep. Number 22. Fix your posture. Bad posture signals insecurity. Roll your shoulders back, lift your chest, and keep your chin parallel to the floor. You will instantly look taller and more dominant. Number 23. Wear clothes that actually fit. Baggy, poorly fitted clothes ruin your physique. Find clothes that fit snug around your arms and chest, but drape cleanly over your waist. Number 24. Keep your shoes clean. Women and highly observant people always look at your shoes. Dirty, beat-up sneakers make you look careless. Wipe them down before you leave the house. Number 25. Make strong eye contact and speak slower. Rushing your words makes you look nervous. Slow down. Look people in the eye. It projects immense confidence and makes everything you say sound more important. Number 26. Moisturize your face twice a day. Moisturizing keeps your skin soft, smooth, and prevents dryness. Do it once in the morning and once before bed for best results. Number 27. Learn to style your hair. The haircut is just step 1. Learn how to style your hair properly with products that suit your hair type. Number 28. Stop saying negative things about yourself. Your brain believes everything you tell it, so talk to yourself with positivity and respect. You can change everything by just being more positive and using that energy in your life. Number 29. Chew evenly on both sides. Always chewing on one side can make your jawline uneven. Chew from both sides to keep your face balanced. Number 30. Act like the man you want to be. The quickest way to glow up is to embody the future version of yourself. Make choices, walk, and speak like the guy who has already achieved his goals. Your reality will soon catch up to your mindset. There you have it, 30 powerful habits to absolutely dominate this summer. I'll see you in the next one.